Now you can now buy real stocks on MEXC Global Exchange. So let me show you guys how it's been done. Okay, so if you don't have MEXC Global account, you're going to see the link in the description box. So use the link to register. So once you register, make sure you download the app. Okay, and verify your account by clicking the avatar at the left top corner here. All right, and make sure you verify your account. So as you can see, my own account is verified, right? So once that is done, you click on wallet. All right, click on real stocks at the top right here. So once you click on real stocks, the next step is to activate, and you need to submit a proof of address. Okay, so in my own case, I use my bank statement. So you can use your bank statement. All right, so next step is to click on start assessment. Okay, once you've done your advanced KYC verification, your proof of address, so you click on start assessment. And once you click on start assessment, the next step is to click on I'm registering for myself as a natural person. Okay, and click on next. So you select the best options for you. What is your current employment status? Okay, self-employed. Do you receive office space, equipment, or other benefit in exchange for trading, or do you work as a financial consultant employee for any individuals? No. Then click on finish. So click on open account and click on got it. So we're done. Next step is to click on activate. So we just activated our real stock account on MEXC Global Exchange. Congratulations to you in advance. All right, so as you can see, no holdings. So what we have to do is to transfer some USDT from our spot wallet to our real stock account. So I just added 42 USDT to my MEXC spot wallet, which I'm going to transfer now to the real stock account. So for the sake of this video tutorial, I'm going to transfer just $2. So you guys can see that even with $1 or $2, you can get started to start buying real stock on MEXC Global Exchange. So you don't need to have $1,000, $10,000, all right, before you can start investing into US stocks on the MEXC Global Exchange. So you don't have any excuse, all right? So this is the watch list. So you can decide to add other stocks to the watch list. Okay, so this is a great opportunity. Like on MEXC, you now have an opportunity to buy crypto, which is something that that's normal thing the crypto exchange is built for. Okay, but aside that, now you can buy real stock. All right, not just any other stock, but US stocks. Okay, so this is the stocks right here. So we have a lot of stocks. Okay, so like you can buy Tesla stocks, buy even SpaceX stocks that just launched recently. You can buy it here. Okay, so you can decide to go through the stocks on this list and choose your choice. All right, so I'm gonna be selecting one of these stocks for the sake of this video tutorial, and that is SanDisk. Okay, so this is SanDisk. The current price is $1,664.260. So I'm gonna click on buy. All right, so take notes, what we deposited was just $2. Okay, so that means we are gonna be buying a fraction of SanDisk. Okay, so we don't need the whole $1,000 plus before we buy. So, and take note, we're gonna be using the market order, all right, to buy this. Okay, so now next step is to type the amount you want to buy. You can buy one like full quantity, so we need to buy fraction. Okay, and that would be like 0.0005. Okay, fractional share risk warning. So you can read this on your own. So you click on confirm. Yeah, confirm. So we are buying this right now. Estimated amount $0.84. So click on buy. Submission failed. The amount of the fractional share order must not be less than $1. So anything we are going to be buying must be $1 plus. All right. So let's buy again. Click on buy. All right. So you can see it is filled. It is successful. Okay. So now we have SanDisk share. Okay, with just $1 plus. So there is no excuse. Okay, if you have, let's say, 2,000 naira, okay, you can start buying US stocks. Okay, so that 2,000 naira is $1 plus. With MEXC Exchange, you can start buying US stocks. So this is really wonderful and amazing. It's really awesome. Yeah. So let's go back to our real stock account. So as you can see, the stock we purchased is under my holdings. Okay, so that is the SanDisk we just bought.